What? What in the... Huh? What? What is this? What? My head. Where? I remember I was walking in the forest. What? How? What is this? Why is this place so familiar? No, that's not it. I mean, maybe? Probably? I'm not really sure. Is that one the only... Please tell me it's not another one of these things, I swear. What? Hello? Locked. Are all these locked? Oh, fuck. Lulu was here. What is this? They are in the dark. What? What does it mean that they are in the dark? Wait. How? What? No. Oh, nope. Nope. Calm down. They're all dark. Where do I go? No way, Lulu should definitely run into it. I guess I'll go this way? No. Calm down. Maybe this, straight ahead. Okay. Okay. If only I had a weapon or something. So. Okay. So what do I do? Okay, calm down. What the hell is the... Oh god. Wait, does it... I guess I have to run? Do I just run? It's following me. Oh shit. Okay. I need to get out of here. I need to run. This is... Oh god. What's that? Okay, I got the key. Oh, shit. Okay, okay. Oh, I swear you... Okay, why did that thing just go through the wall? Okay, okay. Okay. Come on, come on. Oh, fuck! Okay, okay, okay. This is... Oh, shit! Is that... the exit! Come on, come on, come on. Oh, shit. I gotta get out of here. I need to get out of here. What are these things? Are these the smilers that Mage was talking about? Exit, yes, yes! Okay, okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What the fuck? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. Do I just have to go in the dark? Okay, 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 okay. The door! Come on, 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 come on. Okay. What the heck is this? Find and jump into the waterfall. The waterfall? Oh, please don't tell me. Okay, I am not. This water. Jeez, it reeks in here. What's that? Is that the lever? There we go. Okay. These are the things I need to get to, I guess. I gotta get out of here as fast as possible, though. I don't know how much sand I can probably take here. I don't even know if... There's another one. Okay. Okay, where's the last one? Is the last one around here? It could be, must be, that is. This water really reeks. Is that the lever I've licked already? Okay, it is. I see a green. Okay. I just went around in circles. I think this place may be probably driving me insane. Can I, like, not lose my sanity for... What the hell? Okay. That's unexpected. Okay. Focus lever. And probably get the hell out of here. Okay, because... Okay, where else am I supposed to go? Is there, like... Just said, like, fall, like, jump in the waterfall, but, like, what waterfall? Where is the waterfall? Is there even a waterfall to, like... Well, whatever it is. way to probably find that waterfall or whatnot. Why me out of everyone else? That's what I want to know, really. Where else am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to actually fall? No. No, that'll be stupid. Jeez. Where am I supposed to even go? Around here, this place is... not... Oh my goodness. Seriously, where am I supposed to go? This is hard and confusing. I flipped on levers. Or buttons, whatever. I need to calm down. This place is making me probably lose it. I feel like I'm going around circles. How much more? I'm just going around circles. Am I actually supposed to jump? I hope not. I don't really want to jump in there. But, like, where else do I need to go? That's what I want to know. Do I just jump? Or something. Is there something else here? Oh. What the fuck did that just open? Is there anything else that I should probably know about in this goddamn maze? Man, I hate stuff like this. Wait, those stairs weren't there before. Did those open that? What the hell? Oh my god. Calm down. Okay, this is not normal. Seriously, where the hell am I? This is not normal at all. What is that thing? What is that thing? I need to get out of here. I really need to get out of here. I really need to get out of here. I seriously need to get out of here. I swear. Oh no! What? 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 I'm still alive. Oh, God. Wait a minute. Am I going... Oh my God. This place is so confusing. I really need to get the hell out of here. I really do. And probably watch out for that thing next time. Whatever thing is, I think it probably roams the place. Wait, is this the... Oh my God, that was close. At least it went down that way. Maybe if I quickly... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Tell me. Okay. Those noises really fucking scare me. Okay. Calm down. Okay, it's going down there. Okay, come on. Okay. I swear, it's coming. I gotta get out of here before it probably comes back. Okay. Thankfully, I can't come in here. I'm not really sure. I just gotta get out of here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's worth it. Up! Where am I? What is this? Don't step in the red light. Okay. And am I supposed to find... What is this? Okay. I'll go this way. What is this, a maze? Oh, God. But it says stay out of the red light. So, okay, I'll do that. I will stay out of the red light. Oh, my goodness. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, what's this? A flashlight? Probably should keep that. Probably keep it. This place really... So that door gave me a flashlight. Before, is there gonna be like some blackout or something? Hopefully not. Okay. I'll just keep on going straight. Maybe it'll probably work out or something. I don't know what. I swear. I am really not used to things like this. Okay, back here in the spirals. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I'll go this way then. Oh. Oh my god. That was the red light. Okay. Okay. That was the red light. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Why are the lights even... Okay. Oh god, you know what? I just wish Lulu was here. Fuck. Where? I swear it feels like going again. I swear to fuck. Okay, so it's only those 3 that turn off. Okay. Well, probably not go back down there again. Probably. Is there like... Okay, was there supposed to be 3 doors? Where's the last one? Where's the last door? Then with the spiral. Jeez. I'm just gonna go this way. I swear. The last door should be around twisted place somewhere. Back in... Isn't supposed to be an escape route, though? I don't even know. Stay on the red light, stay on the red light, stay on the red light. Go away, go away, go away, go away. Oh my god. Okay, this is getting really creepy. I don't know how much I can take this. If only Lulu was here, honestly. Yeah, she's chaotic, but this could really be good for her help right now. She's more good about getting out these twisted things than I am. I need to get out of here. Oh no, I'm Sandy. I can contain. Oh, there it is. Oh, God, get me out of here, get me out of here. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Shit. Oh god. Nope, I am not going in there. I'm just gonna go out this way and I need to get out of here. I really need to get the fuck out. Okay, do I go? Where do I go? Where the hell do I go? Fuck. Oh my gosh, okay, those we just did a bit of a blackout. I'm just gonna go this way. I really do not like the dark. I think we have this flashlight, but I don't think it's enough. I really don't think it's enough. Is that the door? Please tell me. Whoa! Oh God, please no. There's a lamppost here. Where's the flashlight? Where? What is this? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. I have to get out of here. What was that? Okay. I just continue on? Huh? Find flower. A flower? Where? Okay. Oh my God. God, I'm shaky. Where am I supposed to power though? I wish I had the flashlight. Is that the flower? Huh? I picked it up. Okay. Okay. What the hell? I'm just gonna put my head back here. Maybe I can find something. I really don't like this. Huh? It's not a flower piece. Okay, that is not a flower piece. Okay. This isn't gonna work. It really is not. I'm just gonna mess with this. Okay. I need more speed. But it's a mess. Huh? Is that the flower? What? Huh? Cubes. Find cubes. What the hell is this? I'm supposed to find cubes now? What? Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. Where do I find the cubes? Huh? Oh, I just teleported back. Wait. Do I need to actually get to the places? Where are the cubes then? Am I supposed to wait? Okay, so that's this. What do I do to find these cubes at? What do I do? How do I get to the places? Is it just down nearby each one? What do the cubes even look like? Am I supposed to probably get down to one of those? This is a bit odd. I don't like this. Huh? Oh, I made here. Okay. Oh. Okay, so that's what the cubes look like. They're like floating a bit. Okay, so that's what I need to grab. That's what I need to find. But how many? How many cubes do I need to collect? On each one? Oh no, that's back here. Well, that's over here. Can I just go down here? Shit. Okay. No. Oh. Okay. That's 2. Okay, so I need to collect 4 of them? Is that how much I need? I need to collect 4 of these? There's one over there. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh man. Okay, these lead to nowhere. Okay, good. Okay, I just wanted to know if they lead anywhere or not. It's only that one area. It's only that one area that leads. I can't tell if there's even actually 4 of them around. Are there actually 4? Or... not really. Let's see, so I think I did one there. Where else do I... Whoa. I didn't realize that was up there. Wait a minute. Is there one down there? I think there is. I need to try to get there. What the frick? That was a bit odd. Okay. Shit. I need to get down there. But... how... This is very confusing. These things are messing with my brain. I can't even focus like this. I need to get to the other green area. This is the purple area. I don't think... Yeah, there's none over here. I collected this one. Jeez, this is messing with my head right now. I just want to leave. How hard is it to just leave? I just want to get out of here. I just want to get out. Shit. Okay. So maybe... I need to get there. No, it's the purple area. How hard is it to get to that one place? That's probably gonna be harder than I thought. No. Whoa! Okay. Wait. I think that means I can probably get there easier. It was just one fall, though. Just a little bit. Okay. probably the last time I use my wings. I don't want to waste all my energy on it. Is that the last one, or is there seriously more? What else? I believe I collected all of them already, did I? Wait a second. Was there a door on that main platform? I swear there was. Oh, it's the purple area. I need to go back to the main place. I swear. There is a door. What? It's a mirror. What? 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 Where? What is this? Radio? What does that even mean? What do I do here? Huh? That's it? Seriously? I need to escape! How do... wait. Exit. Ugh! I can escape right here, damn it! What? Are you fucking kidding me?!